The engine of your vehicle is a highly complex and essential component designed to operate efficiently and smoothly. Over time, however, various parts of the engine can become compromised, leading to a decline in performance. A key factor in this deterioration is a clogged or contaminated fuel system. The good news is that regular fuel system cleaning can restore your engine's performance, bringing it back to like-new condition. In today's video, we will explore the critical role of fuel system cleaning and how it can significantly enhance your engine's efficiency. If you've noticed issues such as rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency, or sluggish acceleration, these may be signs of a clogged fuel system. We will cover the following key points: the formation of carbon deposits in the fuel system and their impact, identifying the symptoms of a dirty fuel system, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to cleaning your fuel system, whether through DIY methods or professional services, common misconceptions surrounding fuel system cleaning, advanced techniques and best practices for maintaining optimal fuel system performance. It's a proactive maintenance measure that can save you money, improve vehicle performance, and extend the life of your engine. Fuel system basics. Before we dive into the cleaning process, the fuel system is responsible for delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine. Over time, however, contaminants and carbon deposits can compromise its efficiency. Let's break down the key components that make up the fuel system. Fuel tank. This is where your fuel is stored. While it seems straightforward, the tank can accumulate dirt, rust, and contaminants over time, which can mix with your fuel and impact its quality. Dirty fuel can wreak havoc on the performance of your engine. Fuel pump. Once fuel is stored in the tank, it needs to be transported to the engine. The fuel pump does just that, ensuring that fuel reaches the engine at the correct pressure. If the pump starts to fail or becomes clogged, fuel delivery is compromised, and the engine may experience hesitation or stalling. Fuel filter. This crucial component acts as a barrier, trapping impurities and contaminants in the fuel before they reach the engine. Over time, the fuel filter can become clogged, restricting fuel flow and leading to engine performance issues. Fuel injectors. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering a precise spray of fuel into the combustion chamber, ensuring the fuel mixes properly with air for combustion. When injectors become clogged with carbon deposits, they can disrupt the fuel-air mixture, resulting in poor fuel efficiency, rough idling, or even engine misfires. Throttle body. The throttle body controls how much air enters the engine. A clean throttle body ensures the right amount of air is mixed with fuel for combustion. If it becomes dirty, it can hinder airflow, reducing engine power and fuel combustion efficiency. Intake valves and manifold. These direct the air into the combustion chamber where it's mixed with fuel. When these components become clogged with carbon buildup, when carbon deposits or other contaminants accumulate, they restrict fuel and airflow, leading to inefficient combustion, decreased engine power, and increased emissions. As fuel burns in the engine, carbon particles and varnish are left behind, creating sticky deposits that accumulate over time. Carbon buildup is a gradual process, and at first the symptoms may be subtle. However, as the contaminants build up, you'll notice a marked difference in how your engine performs. Whether it's poor acceleration, rough idling, or reduced fuel efficiency, a dirty fuel system can cause a range of issues that affect both performance and cost. To keep your vehicle running at its peak, it's essential to regularly maintain and clean the fuel system, preventing carbon buildup and ensuring all components are functioning as they should. Cleaning your fuel system restores proper fuel and airflow, ensuring that your engine runs smoothly, efficiently, and with minimal emissions. Symptoms of a dirty fuel system. A clean and efficient fuel system is crucial for optimal engine performance. When dirt, carbon, and other contaminants build up over time, recognizing these signs early can help prevent further damage and keep your engine running smoothly. Common symptoms of a dirty fuel system. Rough idle. If your car shakes, stumbles, or struggles to maintain a smooth idle when stopped, it could be a sign that your fuel injectors are clogged or your throttle body is dirty. This is often the result of clogged injectors or a dirty fuel filter, both of which restrict fuel flow and lead to unnecessary fuel consumption. A noticeable drop in miles per gallon, stalling or misfires. If your engine misfires or stalls unexpectedly, it means that fuel is either not being delivered properly or the air-fuel mixture is out of balance. Misfires disrupt engine performance, and a clean fuel system ensures smooth operation by maintaining the proper fuel delivery to each cylinder. Check engine light. An illuminated check engine light can be triggered by multiple issues, but often it points to problems with fuel delivery or combustion efficiency. Dirty fuel injectors or clogged filters can cause irregular fuel flow, leading to misfires or poor combustion and ultimately activating the engine light. Recognizing these signs early and addressing them with a thorough fuel system clean can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait for the problem to worsen. Taking action now will save you time, money, and potential engine damage. A clean fuel system ensures that everything runs efficiently, reducing the risk of costly repairs in the future. Restores engine efficiency. A clean fuel system directly impacts the efficiency of the combustion process. This leads to incomplete combustion, which reduces fuel efficiency and robs the engine of its power. Cleaning the injectors ensures a perfect air-fuel mix. Increases engine power. Over time, carbon buildup on injectors and intake valves reduces airflow, choking the engine's ability to perform at its best. You'll feel an immediate difference in acceleration and overall power, as a clean system allows the engine to operate at its full potential, reduces harmful emissions. When your fuel system is clean, combustion is more complete, and the engine runs more efficiently. This results in fewer unburnt fuel particles being released through the exhaust system, lowering harmful emissions. A clean fuel system helps your car comply with environmental regulations, prolongs engine lifespan. A dirty fuel system can cause parts like injectors, fuel pumps, and throttle bodies to wear out more quickly. Cleaning these components helps prevent clogging, corrosion, and other forms of damage, ultimately extending the life of your engine. Regular fuel system cleaning ensures that your engine runs smoothly, reducing the likelihood of costly repairs and breakdowns. Enhances overall vehicle reliability. By maintaining a clean fuel system, you improve the overall reliability of your vehicle. Regular cleaning prevents performance dips, reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns, and enhances the vehicle's long-term performance. Your car will run more consistently, allowing you to rely on it day in and day out. Fuel system cleaning is more than just a nice-to-have service. It's a crucial part of keeping your car running like new. Whether you're looking to restore lost power, improve fuel economy, or extend your engine's life, keeping the fuel system clean is an investment that pays off. How to clean your fuel system. Now that we understand the critical importance of a clean fuel system, let's dive into the two most effective methods for restoring your engine's performance: DIY cleaning with fuel additives and professional fuel system cleaning. DIY fuel system cleaning with additives. Fuel additives provide an easy and cost-effective way to clean your fuel system at home. These powerful cleaners contain detergents that break down carbon buildup, varnish, and sludge, helping to restore the efficiency of your injectors and combustion chambers. Step-by-step guide. Select the right additive. Choose a high-quality fuel system cleaner, specifically designed for your vehicle type. Not all cleaners are created equal, so pick one from a reputable brand that addresses the particular issues you're experiencing. Add the cleaner to the tank. Follow the manufacturer's instructions closely. Usually, you'll need to add the entire bottle of cleaner to a low tank of fuel for maximum concentration and effectiveness. Fill the tank. Fill the tank with fresh fuel to dilute the cleaner. This ensures the solution circulates thoroughly through the entire fuel system, reaching all components that need cleaning. Drive for 20 to 30 minutes. After adding the cleaner, take your car for a 20 to 30 minute drive at highway speeds. This allows the additive to flow through the injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, breaking down the deposits. Fuel system additives are perfect for routine maintenance, keeping your engine performing well between more thorough professional cleanings. By incorporating this method into your regular upkeep, you prevent buildup from becoming a serious problem. Professional fuel system cleaning. If your vehicle is showing significant symptoms such as rough idling, hesitation, or reduced power, or if it has high mileage, a professional fuel system cleaning is the best option. This method offers a more comprehensive clean, using advanced tools and solvents to ensure optimal results. What to expect from a professional cleaning? Draining the fuel tank. The mechanic will first drain the old fuel, removing any impurities that could affect the new fuel mixture. Cleaning the injectors. A special cleaning solution, often combined with ultrasonic cleaning, will thoroughly clean the fuel injectors, restoring their ability to spray fuel evenly and precisely. Flushing the system. A powerful solvent is pumped through the entire fuel system, cleaning the fuel lines, intake valves, and other critical components. This deep cleanse ensures that carbon deposits, dirt, and varnish are removed from areas that additives may miss. Cleaning the throttle body. The throttle body is cleaned to restore smooth airflow, ensuring that the engine receives the correct air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion. Reassembly and testing. After cleaning, the system is carefully reassembled, and the vehicle undergoes a thorough testing to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Professional cleaning offers a complete overhaul for your fuel system, addressing issues that additives alone might not solve. It's the ideal choice when your vehicle is experiencing severe performance issues or when you want to ensure maximum fuel efficiency and engine longevity. How often should you clean your fuel system? Cleaning your fuel system is important for keeping your vehicle running well, but how often should you clean it? The answer depends on a few things like your car's age, the type of fuel you use, and how you drive. Here's a simple guide to help you stay on track. Recommended cleaning intervals. Most car manufacturers suggest getting a professional fuel system cleaning every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Regular cleaning helps keep fuel injectors and other important parts working well. The role of additives. To keep your fuel system in good shape between professional cleanings, it's a good idea to use fuel additives every 5,000 to 10,000 miles. High-demand driving. If you mostly drive in heavy traffic, short trips, or under harsh conditions, your fuel system will build up carbon faster. In such cases, cleaning the system every 15,000 to 20,000 miles is a smart move. Additional tips for maintaining a clean fuel system. In addition to regular fuel system cleaning, there are several best practices that can help ensure your fuel system remains in top condition. Use high-quality fuel. Choosing high-quality fuel can make a significant difference in maintaining a clean fuel system. Regular use of cleaner fuel means fewer issues down the road. Replace your fuel filter regularly. The fuel filter is crucial for preventing contaminants from entering your engine, typically every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. A clean filter ensures that fuel flows freely, helping to keep the system clean and the engine running smoothly. Monitor your engine performance. Pay attention to any changes in your car's performance. If you notice a decrease in fuel economy, rough idling, or loss of power, these could be signs that your fuel system needs attention. Regular maintenance and careful monitoring will keep your engine performing efficiently for years to come. Common misconceptions about fuel system cleaning. There are several myths surrounding fuel system cleaning that can mislead vehicle owners. Additives are enough. While fuel additives are a convenient and effective tool for keeping your fuel system clean, additives work best for preventative maintenance and light cleaning. Cleaning is only for high-mileage cars. Many people believe that only high-mileage vehicles need fuel system cleaning. Don't wait until the problem becomes severe, no matter the mileage. Cleaning will fix all problems. Fuel system. Cleaning is a highly effective way to restore engine efficiency, such as a damaged fuel pump or failing spark plugs. Cleaning the fuel system won't solve the underlying problem. Regular upkeep combined with the right diagnostics ensures your car runs at its best. Advanced fuel system cleaning techniques. In cases of heavy carbon buildup and persistent engine issues, advanced cleaning techniques can restore your vehicle's performance to like-new conditions. Ultrasonic injector cleaning. Ultrasonic injector cleaning is one of the most effective methods for cleaning fuel injectors. This technique uses high-frequency sound waves to generate microscopic bubbles in a cleaning solution. Ultrasonic cleaning is a non-invasive, gentle method, meaning it won't damage the sensitive components of the injectors, unlike harsh chemicals or abrasive tools. Throttle body and intake valve. Cleaning throttle body and intake valve cleaning is essential for keeping your engine running efficiently. These components control the flow of air into the engine and are critical for proper fuel combustion. Over time, carbon and grime can build up on the throttle body and intake valves, disrupting airflow and making it harder for the engine to mix fuel and air correctly. When the throttle body gets dirty, it can result in poor throttle response. Cleaning these components ensures optimal airflow and fuel combustion, restoring the engine's responsiveness and fuel efficiency. Specialized cleaning tools are often used to clean these areas, including solvents designed to dissolve carbon deposits. In some cases, a mechanical cleaning tool like a brush or scraper may be used in combination with the solvent to physically remove stubborn deposits. This type of cleaning helps your engine run more smoothly and efficiently, reduces emissions, and restores lost power, particularly in older cars or those with higher mileage. Ensuring that the throttle body and intake valves are regularly cleaned is a vital part of keeping the engine's performance up to par. Combustion chamber cleaning. The combustion chamber is where fuel and air are mixed and ignited to produce power. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate in this area, affecting engine power, fuel economy, and efficiency. Specialized cleaning solvents are injected directly into the combustion chamber to break down these carbon deposits. These solvents soften and dissolve the carbon buildup, making it easier for the engine to burn fuel completely and efficiently. This cleaning technique can dramatically restore engine power and reduce harmful emissions. The process is typically done while the engine is running. Outro fuel system cleaning is an essential part of keeping your vehicle in top condition. Whether you're using fuel additives for routine maintenance or opting for a professional cleaning to tackle more serious buildup, maintaining a clean fuel system ensures that your engine runs efficiently and powerfully. By staying on top of your fuel system maintenance, you'll enjoy improved fuel economy, restored engine power, and reduced harmful emissions. Don't let a dirty fuel system affect your car's performance. Follow the steps we've outlined, and your vehicle will run smoother, last longer, and save you money in the long run. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.